morning. Handsome. Is that the smile? Yay! Yes, I am ready. I got my swimsuit on.
Ready to go? Ready to go?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
So, hey guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. I am currently up. I just literally got ready. I'm going to go wake up Mario and Pops because we gotta go swimming. So I'm gonna wake him up, get his bottle ready. I already packed the bags, but let's go wake them up. Oh, they're sleeping. Papi Chulo. His little outfits, his little swimming outfit here, guys. So I got it ready and I'm just gonna put his pants over everything. So I'll probably put this on him when we get, we'll probably have to put it on and just pad up, but he's sleeping. Look. So Mario's gotta wake him up. Guys, you don't even want to know what time it is. It's almost 11:30 on a weekday. So it's not a weekend, it's 11:30 on a weekday. He sleeps in long. He's a sleeper. Mario's trying to get him up. Good morning. He loves to sleep, guys. Papa. Look. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Papa. Guess what day it is? It's time to go swimming. You getting up? Where's my happy smile when you get up? Hi. Hi, handsome. Is that the smile? Yay. Are you getting up? You see your little suit? Yeah, you ready to get dressed? Okay. You ready to get up to go swimming? Yeah, your shoes. You show daddy your shoes? Yeah, okay, come, let me change you. You guys will literally see us dressed and ready to go because we need to get going. So we're gonna go get dressed. Now, I'm just gonna throw these on him. And I have a shirt in the back. So, Mario's gonna get up and we're just gonna go. Oh, my stomach is just killing me. But, yeah, that's what we're doing. And I'm gonna have to fix his hair because he looks like a hot mess right now. So, let me get ready and then we will come back. Guys, I am ready. I got my swimsuit on. I'm gonna have to put this on him when we reach. Oh, I have to make some more hair product. Oh, my hair product that I use is all finished. So I'm gonna put this on him when we reach and he's ready. So he has a swimsuit on and I just throw on some stuff in his shirt. Well, his swimsuit on and I just throw on a pants. So now, Risa, come take him up for me. Go, Papa, I gotta go.
Look at your hair.
I know, his hair's up and running. Yay, yay. Yay, Risa, I go swimming.
Cute, cute.
Say go swimming. Yeah, you're going swimming? Yay! See, guys, he's in better spirit. It only took a few minutes. Yeah, once he gets his bottle, he'll be in even better spirit. Okay, wait, I'll take him up there. All right, let me just quickly make our bed and then we are off. So we are here. So they're gonna go get change. Hi, Papa. So Mario and Mario are gonna go get change. Okay, you're gonna go in there in the change room and change. Here, let me pass you the stuff.
Ready to go? Ready to go? You ready to go, Papa? Ready to go swimming? Say yes, I'm ready. Come on. Dada, let's go. Ready to go swimming? Say yes, Dada.
Oh. I was like, I know I packed it in here because I was like, where's the shirt?
What's yours?
Don't tell me I didn't. I left it. Huh?
We can go in?
If you can go in?
You ready?
Yeah, you can go.
Papa. Yes. You ready? You ready? Come on, let's go. Say, Mami, dito. Oh, it started, Papa. Ano? Is that our group? Is that our group?
What?
That group? No. It's not that. That's not our group.
Yeah, that's our group.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Go.
Water cold? Well, at all right now. So we're on our way home. Yeah, today was a rough day for Pops. Oh gosh. As he got a little bit of traumatized from his last swimming experience. Hey Papa, can you say hi? Say hello. Are you smiling? Say hi guys. Yeah, so he got a bit traumatized from his last experience when he started, and it was a little bit difficult for him. Like, I guess he just was put underwater too quick, and basically he had to swim to Mario, and he didn't enjoy that at all. And from then he cried the whole time till the lesson was done. And now this time when he got into the water, he was literally crying. He was just actually crying. So it was kind of like a horrible experience. You want to say hi? You say hi? Say hi, guys. So, well, I'm just hoping sooner or later it gets a lot nicer outside, so we can take him out more, and get him more used to the water. Yeah, he just needs to get more used to the water, because he loves the water, but the problem is it's just the experience that he had. But other than that, he had a good day. Yeah, Papa, Jaja. Yum, yum. Good boy.